Hi Askias! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang dito sa atin, please do follow, like, and share mo na rin yung mga videos natin. Baka mabitan din ng iba. For today's video, ay grabe, napakagandang balita po nito dahil look at this! Ayan. Eto po, bagong balita. Ayan, may free rides po ang MRT at LRT 1 and 2. Sa MRT, MRT 3, to tingnan natin, ayan. Manila, Philippines, the Department of Transportation, DOTR, will offer free rides on the Metro Rail Transit Line number 3 or MRT 3 and Light Rail Transit LRT Lines 1 and 2 for different sectors from December 14 to December 25, Christmas Day. Oh, diba? The following groups will have free rides each day from December 14 to December 25. Sino-sino ba yung mga kasali for free rides? So, tingnan natin ito. Yan. December 14, senior citizen. December 15, students. December 16, OFWs and their families. Dapat specific yun ha. December 17, teachers and healthcare workers. December 18, PWDs and male passengers. December 19, government employees. December 20, female passengers. December 21, families. December 22, LGBTQIA+ community and solo parents. December 23, private sector employees and maids. December 24, uniformed personnel, veterans and their families. And December 25, all passengers. Lahat po ay libre ng December 25. Pero ano ba yung mga kailangan para ma-avail mo yung free rides na ito? Ito, Lopez said identification cards or IDs may be only be needed for another sectors. O, yung mga ID po, kailangan i-prepare natin such as kung ikaw ay teachers, employees, PWD, and senior citizen. O, sabi niya pa dito, sa senior citizen, baka kailangan ng ID. Pero kapag mukhang matanda na, payagan na natin. Ito naman po ay regalo. Lopez said. Wala lang, may naalala lang ako. Siguro, pag mukha kang stressed, mukha kang matanda, libre ka na, no? For senior citizens, ID may be required, but if they look old, let's allow it since it's a gift. Ito pa. He said that the uniformed personnel may also need to present their IDs unless they will commute while wearing their uniforms. Ito naman, as the members of the LGBTQIA+ community, Lopez said, no requirement is needed to avail the free rides on December 22. Anong gagawin? Ito, kung masagot ko rin po, kung baka tanungin nyo rin po sa akin yung LGBTQ, alam po namin na wala pong ID dyan, Lopez said. Anong gagawin? All you have to do, aminin nyo lang po, okay na po sa amin yun. Papayagan na po namin, he added. Kaya lang di niya nilagay kung paano aaminin. Sasabihin ba ng verbal or written? Lalo na yung mga nagtatago or yung hindi pa open sa community. Nakakatawa naman ito. Pero libre. Lopez said the free rides from December 14 to 25 will be effective during the entire operating hours of MRT3, LRT1, and LRT2. So, pwedeng back and forth mo siyang gawin. Comment down below kung kasama ka din or pupunta. Well, as per me, ako, personal, parang hindi ko naman siya magagamit dahil hindi naman ako magta-travel ng malayo na kailangan sumakay ng MRT 3 at LRT 1 and 2. So don't forget to follow. Bye, Huskies!
Bye!